ChatGPT is revolutionizing the world of AI. Its rapid rise in popularity has caught the attention of tech giants like Google and Microsoft, who are now vying for dominance in this emerging field. But it's not just about the competition. ChatGPT has the potential to change the way we interact with technology and each other, from chatbots that can mimic human conversation to personalized assistants for tasks like writing and research. This is not just another fad, but a significant shift in the way we use technology to augment our lives. And with Google's near monopoly in the search market, the emergence of ChatGPT as a viable alternative poses a real threat to its dominance. The question now is not whether AI will change the world, but how we can harness its potential to create a better future for all of us. So today, let's talk about ChatGPT and how it could dominate the industry and beat the tech giant Google. Hey friends, welcome to Capitalista. Before getting started, why not show some love and hit the like and subscribe buttons down there? And now, let's get started. Google's grip on the search market has hindered innovation in tech and advertising because they're the go-to search engine on most platforms. In fact, other competitors face a hard time getting into the game. This near monopoly has allowed Google to become one of the world's most valuable companies with a market cap exceeding $1 trillion. However, the emergence of OpenAI's ChatGPT and Microsoft's integration of this technology into Bing Copilot could provide much-needed competition in the search market and potentially break Google's dominance. Despite its vast resources, Google has struggled to create a successful AI chatbot, leaving them vulnerable to this threat. Microsoft's investment of over $1 billion in OpenAI has enabled the development of ChatGPT, which has quickly become a profitable venture. They wasted no time in integrating this technology into Bing Copilot, a chatbot that allows users to talk to Bing like a normal human. Furthermore, the success of ChatGPT and Bing Copilot poses a significant threat to Google's monopoly position in the search market. Google's response, the Bard chatbot, has been underwhelming and caused a 10% decline in their share price. And Microsoft's investment in OpenAI has positioned them as a major player in the AI chatbot space, potentially disrupting the search market and challenging Google's dominance. In addition, with Google being the default search engine on most devices including Apple, Android, and Google Chrome, it's been challenging for competitors to enter the market. However, with Microsoft's investment in OpenAI and the launch of Bing's Copilot, there's finally a contender. By integrating OpenAI's technology, Microsoft is creating a serious threat to Google's market position, and this has caused concern among Google's investors and analysts. The challenge posed by Bing Copilot is one of the most significant that Google has faced in recent years, and it remains to be seen how they will respond to this competition. As for Bard, it has not been well received by investors and analysts, and its presentation has been criticized for factual inaccuracies. This has led to a decline in Google's share price and raised doubts about the company's ability to maintain its dominant position in the search market. Despite this setback, it remains to be seen how Google will respond to the challenge posed by these emerging technologies and whether it will be able to innovate and adapt in the face of increased competition. AI-powered chatbots like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Microsoft's Bing Copilot requires vast amounts of computational resources, which can be prohibitively expensive for companies to run at scale. And despite the potential benefits of chatbots in enhancing user experience and driving innovation, the high costs associated with running them may limit their adoption and effectiveness. As a result, companies like Google may need to find new ways to balance their costs and benefits of AI chatbots to maintain their market position and competitiveness. OpenAI's ChatGPT has achieved massive success in attracting millions of users worldwide. People have been using it extensively for online conversations, research, and other purposes due to its accurate and responsive nature. And within just 2 months of its operation, it gained over 100 million users, making it the fastest growing online app ever. In fact, the chatbot has humiliated Google's Bard chatbot in terms of accuracy and popularity. Google's servers for search are surprisingly low cost, even though they handle a massive volume of searches, which allows the company to enjoy high profit margins. Despite the vast number of users and queries, Google's server costs are kept low through efficient technology and optimization. This allows Google to generate significant revenue through advertising, with an estimated 1.5 cents in revenue earned for each search. The cost effectiveness of their servers is a key factor in Google's success and profitability. This enables the company to dominate the search market market and become one of the most valuable companies in the world. IBM and General Motors are examples of companies that struggled to innovate despite having significant research and development budgets. You see, IBM was outcompeted by Microsoft's tiny resources in the 1990s due to a lack of focus on personal computers despite dominating the computing market in the 1960s through the 80s. General Motors released the first modern battery electric vehicle in 1996, but failed to make it commercially successful due to high cost, low range, and low performance. Meanwhile, Tesla, with a fraction of GM's resources, became the dominant electric vehicle producer in the US by focusing on innovation and new business models. These examples demonstrate that large budgets and resources are not always sufficient for innovation, and experts say companies must be willing to adapt and embrace new technologies and business models to stay competitive in today's rapidly evolving markets. Innovation requires more than just money, and companies also need the freedom to experiment with new business models. The ability to take risks and think outside the box can be just as important as having ample financial resources. Established companies may struggle to innovate because they are often beholden to existing business models and may be hesitant to cannibalize their own profits. This is where new and emerging companies may have an advantage. Emerging companies aren't usually burdened by the same legacy structures and can be more agile in their approach to innovation. Ultimately, the ability to create new and disruptive business models is what sets successful companies apart from those that fall behind. The rise of AI chatbots is disrupting the search market, and this poses a significant threat to Google's monopoly. Microsoft's integration of OpenAI's technology into Bing Copilot and the success of ChatGPT have shown that there is an appetite for more advanced and intuitive search experiences. This means that Google will need to adapt and innovate if they want to remain competitive. The future of search will likely be shaped by AI chatbots, and companies that fail to keep up with this trend risk being left behind. It's an exciting time for the search market, and users can expect to see more personalized and interactive search experiences in the years to come. So, what do you think of the emergence of AI chatbots like ChatGPT? Will you be willing to invest in them? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Your engagement helps us bring you even more exciting content in the future. Until next time, and take care.